Hey everyone, so today we're going to go over welding in Cricut Design Space on our iPhone. Once you open Cricut and go into the Design Space, we're just going to do New Project and we're going to select the first cursive font we can find under Text. We'll just type out the word sample for this example. I like to blow it up so I can see the lines where they stop and start. It just makes it a lot easier when you're trying to weld something together. You want to make sure all your lines line up and there's no little edges showing. You're going to have to ungroup for this. So you go to Action, Ungroup. Then you can individually select your letters. Slide it over until you get it to the point to where it looks like it's just one brush stroke. You'll do this with each one. Once that's completed, you're going to grab the top left corner and drag down to be able to select the whole word. You can do that in one fluid motion. And then you're going to go down to the bottom right as you see under Actions and hit Weld. What that will do will make that word more like a picture almost, to where it is now you cannot edit it, but those letters are all together in one big word. So you don't get your individual letters when it cuts on your machine. I really thank y'all for watching this today. I hope you understand the welding concept a little more. It definitely helps with cursive when the letters look like they're smooth like that. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more how-tos with Cricut Design Space on your iPhone. Give it a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. See you in the next one.